Good morning, children. Today we are moving on to a new topic, that is plant hormones. As we all know, the plants, they exhibit different types of movements like bending, twisting of their body parts in response to certain changes in the external environment, which we call as the stimulus. So the plants, they respond to the stimuli by production of certain chemical compounds that we call as the hormones. And these hormones act as messengers in the plant body. So plants respond to the stimulus by producing chemical compounds called hormones, and these hormones, they act as messengers. And even if the hormone is produced in one part of the plant body, its effect is far away from the site of production. So produced in one part of the plant and have their effects at a location far away from the site of their production. So that is a peculiarity of the hormones. Even if it is in animals, we see the same process. So even if the hormones are produced in a particular part of the plant body, their action will be at a different location far away from the site of their production. And plants respond to these hormones mainly by exhibiting growth. So the main change that is observed in the plants as a result of the influence of the hormone is growth. And this growth may be either they may be inhibited, that means stopped, or it may be stimulated or accelerated, it may be speeded up. So the growth is the main response which we see in the plants as a result of the influence of hormones, and this growth may be inhibited or stimulated by a particular hormone. Now, the main areas of growth or cell division in the plants, we know that it is the meristems. So the main area of growth in plant is the meristems. Normally they are located at the tip of the root, shoot, etc. And these meristems, they are very sensitive to the hormones. Now, how does the hormones influence this meristems? They help to stretch the cell wall that is made up of cellulose. Cell wall of plants which is made of cellulose, that is being stretched, and so that it help in the cell division process. We know that meristematic cells are the regions which are formed of actively dividing cells in case of the plants. Plants are sensitive to water, temperature, gravity, etc. And these are the stimuluses to which the plants respond normally. Now the term hormone was first coined or used by William Bayliss and Ernest Starling in 1902. The term hormone was first used by William Bayliss and Ernest Starling in 1902, and the term phytohormone was given to the plant hormones in order to distinguish it from the animal hormones.